Hi everyone, this is Sujit and today I am at Hyundai showroom and there is one car, super luxury car, G70 Sport. So I would like to show this car and I am really impressed about design, the quality, the feature the car has. I would request everyone, please visit Hyundai showroom and see Genesis G70. Let's begin. Look at the style of the car. Oh, what a tires, rim design. Oh. Lovely, lovely, excellent. And let us see from the back side how the car looks. 3.3 liter engine, sensor are there. I love the logo. I love this logo like eagle. Oof, really superb. G70 Sport. Look at the design, super luxury car, G70 Sport. And look at the front grille, wow, diamond style, and has front camera too, and front sensor, LED lights, wow, superb look, G70, really a luxury car. And let us see from the inside. Okay, the car has all 360-degree camera and a keyless entry also there. Look at the look, G70 Sport, lovely. Let us go inside and see how the car looks. Wow, what a look, and what I like most is the logo of Genesis. Lovely. Look at the design. I'm really impressed with the design and the car style. G70 Sport, what a look, what an interior, absolutely has all the feature what the car should have in this price range. Wow, excellent. What a design the car has, what a tire style, and the good quality tire, Michelin. What a look from the inside. Chair automatic, wow, lovely logo and lovely style. Look at the interior, very nice, absolutely. So friends, this is the car Genesis G70 Sport. Love the design and see the gear style, gear knob. Oh my god, what a luxury the car has. Excellent. So you have seen the car Genesis Sport, 3.3 liter engine and rear wheel drive. Excellent look, excellent style, and super luxury car Genesis Sport. I would request everyone, please visit Genesis showroom and see the G70 Sport. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. But don't forget to like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.